Hello and welcome back to Red Ted Art. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a triple crochet. So in order to make a triple crochet you must be able to know how to make a single crochet, how to make a chain, and also how to hold your tension. So if you don't know how to do any of those, please do check out the videos that I've made on how to do it in this playlist and learn how to do it. Okay, so just start off by making yourself a chain of around 10 stitches. It really doesn't matter, just make it to the length of your desire. So I'm going to get my tension and I'm going to hold the chain around 4 stitches away from the hook. So before I start going into any of the stitches of my hook, I'm going to use this yarn here and I'm just going to wrap it around my crochet hook twice. So there should be like 3 kind of loops on your hook, like so. You're then going to go into the 4th chain from your hook. So not the first one, not the second one, not the third one, but this 4th one here. So I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch, like so. Just going to move that down. So my yarn here makes all the loops look like one big one, but you should have like 4 loops on your hook now. You're then going to yarn over and pull through that first loop, like so. So you should have 4 loops still on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops, like so. You're then going to yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops, like so. Oh, I didn't pull through all of that stitch. You're then going to yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, like so. So you should have this really big looking stitch now. So I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to yarn over twice. So you have 3 kind of loops in your hook. I'm going to go into the next stitch now. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2. The next 2, and then finally the last 2. And there we go, that's how you make a triple crochet. So if you go ahead and just crochet to the end of that round and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so hopefully your work should be looking like this. So I've just done triple crochets all the way to the end of that round. So now I want to do a second round of triple crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my tension and I'm going to chain 3, like so. I'm then going to flip my work, so this is like the back of my work, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to yarn over twice, and then I'm going to go into the next stitch, which is this one here. This is the chain 3, and then that's the stitch. I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and then pull through 2 again. And then there you go. And then you just keep doing that until you have as many triple crochets as you like. So I hope you found this video useful, and please do check out the other videos in this playlist. Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.